up and realized that we were out of almond milk, which is how I make my coffee in the morning. So I immediately Instacarted it, but it's not here yet. It's insanely windy outside right now. We're just watching the leaves blow. Yes, we are. We're just enjoying the view. She is. I'm struggling because I haven't had coffee yet. There we go. Have the best day. Oh. Chloe. My God. Yes. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Good girl. Okay, it is my first day back from the holidays, really. Spent Christmas with my family, was in Aspen for New Year's with friends, and I just got back yesterday. So today, even though it's January 7th, it's my first real day of the new year. That means it's my first real day of trying to reach and achieve those New Year goals. I told you guys in the last vlog that I loved running every single day of January last year, and I wanted to do something like that this year. However, I have been having the worst foot pain. I injured my heel, so running's not an option. So I'm going to attempt to walk every single day of January, a mile a day. That's my plan. It's extremely windy outside, and I don't want to do it, but we're doing it anyways. We went for a nice walk. I'm currently at Alicia. Alicia got me a mirror for my office that I'm very excited about. Also, the wind over here is crazy. So she actually has zero power at her house right now. So me and her and my mom are gonna head to my place here in a little bit, but I'm going to mark off on my habit tracker app that I did my 1 mile walk today. Okay. Howdy. Alicia got me a mirror, and I've never been more excited about it.
This was your last Christmas present.
Did I tell you I had one more small one that said it was delivered and I can't find it?
Mm-mm.
I'm sad.
Weird, did you use my address or your address?
It was your address.
Maybe that's why. It knew you moved. Also, yeah, I look disgusting right now, but we're all...
Disgusting.
No, I'm doing this for you. You'll look so much... And please don't say you look disgusting.
I do. I literally...
Stop. You look great. You look great. You're one of those girls right now on Instagram who's like, oh my god, I look disgusting. This is what most of us look like when we say we're disgusting, okay? Like, I almost didn't even put on a bra, okay? Stop.
I did
put together.
Well, the only reason I even slicked my hair back, kind of, not fully, just like half-assed slicked my hair back, was because I thought I was getting a laser appointment and I had to post for it. So I kind of was like, okay, I need to look kind of cute. We are putting the mirror up. I think I mentioned it in the last vlog. Alicia and my mom and I last week went crazy. So we did a whole revamp, moved everything around, and Alicia was the one who decided to open the desk up and make this side my vanity
look,
side.
This is what I would do. I think we flip and then lift this. Yeah. It's not that heavy. Just put your hand under. Yeah. Dun dun dun, another box. Nice.
Oh, it's so great. Yay. Wow. Guys, look at how crazy good this lighting is. This room just went from the worst lit room to the best lit room.
It's nice that it's consistent, so even if it's dark, it'll
Yeah. Now I'm like, oh, maybe I'll put one of those in this corner, one of those in that corner, and it'll just evenly balance everything out. This looks beautiful. Thanks,
You're so welcome.
I love it. It's kind of chaotic over here, but the stool that went to this vanity kind of fit perfectly under here. Alicia ended up saying I should keep it, and I'm so glad I did, because look at how great this goes together. Because this is my main chair for editing, and I want to keep that. And I was like, oh, I probably need to get another chair, but the stool works perfectly.
And it's minimal.
Again,
you can just whip it this way, and then you can have the light this way if you want.
Right. I can turn the table if I need to. The mirror's so light. This is amazing. Interrupting today's vlog with today's sponsor, Rocket Money. I am obsessed with all that they have helped me accomplish in 2024. I really feel like I didn't have a good hold on my finances the last 2 years. And I think a lot of the things that I personally struggle with is getting everything in order, paperwork wise, getting everything in order, bills wise. And that's the reason I love Rocket Money so much. They do all of that work for you. They will compile a list and let you know what subscriptions you currently are subscribed to. And I'm talking about subscriptions you might have forgotten that you subscribed to. I mentioned this last year, but I completely forgot about an editing software that I had subscribed to years ago. And I still would have been paying for it if it wasn't for Rocket Money. And that's what I'm saying, guys. Rocket Money has your back. Rocket Money is an all-in-one personal finance app that helps you cancel subscriptions, lower your bills, and just in general, manage your money better. And it's all-in-one easy-to-use app. Now, I already said I love Rocket Money for canceling subscriptions, but I did that last year. This year, I want to focus on budgeting. And here's the best part. They're going to do all the hard work for you with Rocket Money. They can create a customized budget for you in seconds. The app will tell you where your money is going at all times, and it'll also tell you what your top spending categories are, because some of us need it brought to our attention. Along with the list of your top spending categories, they're going to give you tips and tricks for how to get that number a little bit lower. So take control of your finances today. Go to rocketmoney.com/AshleyNichole. That's Nicole with an H to get started for free. Back to the vlog. Okay, I lied. I know I said we were getting back into the vlog, but I wanted to keep this going. So we have another giveaway for today's vlog. This is one of my all-time favorite companies. I am so inspired by the women that created this company, and I genuinely have loved every single product I've ever tried from theirs. They just delivered this, and even though everything in me wants to try the new colors, I have some, and I'd rather give it to you guys. The brand is Summer Fridays, and this is every single color in their lip tint collection. This stuff is so soft and buttery smooth. We have so many excellent colors. The new colors are Midnight Berry, Warm Beige, Rosebud, and Bare Sand. Those are the new colors that I haven't tried. What I have currently are Pink Cloud, Blush Dreams, Soft Mauve, and Rosewood Nights. Soft Mauve and Blush Dreams are incredible. All of these shades are glorious, and I am so excited for one of you guys to get to try them all on. I would swatch them for you, but that's not sanitary. So I was thinking for the giveaway for today's vlog, all I want is a kissy emoji. And the more the better, so go crazy. I will be announcing the winner of the Summer Fridays giveaway in the next vlog. So good luck to you guys. And now let's actually get back to the vlog. Okay, I'm just playing with like the lighting in this room and playing with the setup, but I like what I have so far. I have some PR packages because I was gone, so I figured I'd open them with you guys. Ness sent me a bunch of candles. They're so good at sending candles the second a season's over and going into the next one. Oh my God, I can smell it. This is a cucumber and white sage diffuser, small candle, and one of their large 3-wick candles. These candles are beautiful. They're so cool. They take forever to go through, and that's why I love them so much. They're also just like, honestly, a decor piece. I've been waiting for this. Tatcha came out with a new product. This is their brightening serum and brightening eye cream, and we already know how I feel about my under eyes. I will be using this, and I will be using all of it. Fuller came out with a new scent. I'm obsessed with everything they make. Are you kidding me? That is Luxe. And here's why this packaging is so good. It's magnetic. Oh, that's lovely. Lola V sent over some goodies. We have the shampoo and conditioner. This is the restorative line. And then a glossing detangler. I love this stuff. Anyone who has super tingly hair can relate. It is maddening. I cannot not put something in my hair before brushing it. I can't. So stuff like this is game changing, especially for like bleached hair. It just gets tangled so easily. It's so bad. I'm actually really excited for this one. It's not for me. Lola Blankets sent me a giant fluffy fuzzy blanket that honestly me, Jackson, and Chloe have been fighting over. It's our favorite blanket in the house. And if I was to say one person wins every time, it's true. It's Chloe. So I posted a photo of Chloe literally hogging the entire blanket, and the Lola Blanket team was like, how about we just send her one? So Chloe has her own Lola blanket. I'm so excited to put this on her bed. Guys, she's obsessed. I literally just put the blanket there. She sat there all on her own, brought her bone, hasn't moved. How cute are you, Chloe? Is that your bone? Is that your bone? Is that your bone? Oh, is that my bone? Is that my bone? I love her. Oh my goodness. The fires are happening all over LA. We are so fine. We are so safe, but Alicia has had zero power in her house for over a day now. So there's evacuations happening kind of all around us. So just to be on the safe side, I am running to the grocery store to grab some bottled water and stuff like that, just in case we lose power or water. I dropped Alicia off at her house. She's grabbing food from the fridge and anything important that she needs. We're gonna be good, but again, just taking precautions. It is super scary out right now. People are losing homes, people are evacuating. There is so many neighborhoods without power. My heart is breaking with like all of the videos of the PCH and the Palisades in Malibu. So yeah, hopefully the wind dies down today and we're able to get some of the fires out. I am just so grateful for firefighters and the cops and everyone that is doing their part to make this better. But yeah, it's kind of scary right now. Hey guys, we're having a family and friend sleepover here at the apartment. Alicia is working over here. I'm working over here. Originally, I was supposed to record a podcast today with Taryn, and obviously with all of the fires going on, some of us had power, some of us didn't have power. We decided to cancel our actual meeting in studio, and we're going to be doing, for the first time only, audio only on our podcast.
So nice, you don't have to get ready.
I was like,
you can lay on the couch.
I literally have like pimple patches on. I haven't done any makeup. My hair's a mess. And I was like, how lovely, how lovely.
I would literally go lay on your bed. That's what I missed so much about Pretty Basic when we first started. I would just lay on the couch.
I know. It's a little easier because I have to read an email having like my stuff in front of me. But like this is relaxed. Like this is so relaxed for me. Taryn and I are going to FaceTime here in a bit and we're going to record a podcast because we have nothing prepared for this coming Monday. Everyone is safe, which we are so happy for. I know so many people on the west side that things are a little scary. I know someone who lost their house. It's very scary right now. So my heart's going out to them. I'm very grateful that my mom's here. I'm very grateful that Alicia's here. Jackson's here. We're all safe. And we're just gonna...
It's just weird because we kept being like, okay, we should be prepped for stuff like this. And then I didn't realize how unprepped I was for everything.
Yeah. Like imagine having to do everything we did today.
No, like in 30 minutes. It's
as fast as you could.
We would have been panicking. I wouldn't have been able to.
Yeah. So we feel very lucky right now. Jackson still has to work today. Obviously, his company's fine. So he went into work. He'll come back later. And we have a full house, but it's fun. We're going to be good. Say hi. Hey guys, we're surviving so far. Things got a little scary last night. There were a couple fires that broke out in the valley yesterday that had us a little bit more on edge. It was a little scary seeing fires on this side of the hill. Alicia and my mom ended up going to Riverside and I ended up staying. Jackson still has to work and I wanted to make sure I'm still here for him. Also, we're totally safe on this side of the hill. Both fires got contained really quickly. So I feel good being here still. And Alicia's power came back on this morning, so I just went to check out her house and make sure everything's working good and turn off all the lights, because for some reason all the lights were on. I don't know why. And all morning this morning with Jackson and Haley just watching the news, completely heartbroken for everyone that has lost so much with their homes and communities and neighborhoods. It was honestly, it was devastating to watch. So I'm genuinely feeling super grateful right now that mine and Jackson's apartment had power, that we are in a safe zone in LA. Obviously, they're still saying like more winds might come over the next couple days. So we're gonna, stay smart, stay vigilant, keep our bags packed just in case. But as of right now, it looks like we're fine, which is awesome. Next biggest concern right now is air. Apparently the air quality is awful, like toxic, like damn near toxic, like I shouldn't be outside. Luckily, I had a random mask in my car that happened to be an N95, which is the better one for smoke. This is old, so it's probably not even working. I need to go get some more masks for me, Jackson, and Haley, since we're still gonna be here. And then I'm honestly not sure if we're gonna end up going to Riverside or if we're gonna stay here. As of right now, Jackson still has to work. So I think we're going to try to make do here. I think I'm going to run a few errands today, make sure we're good. Going to check in with some neighbors and make sure they're good. Make sure we have enough water and hopefully find some masks, because I can't do any of this without a good mask on.